Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if your MacBook charger is looking like this after many years, you're going to need a good, reliable replacement charger for your MacBook. This is the 60-watt replacement charger for the MacBook Pro. The magnet at the end of the charger connects very well to the laptop. Even if you move the laptop around, the charger doesn't come off. And it works just great. It charges very quick, and I really like that it's very light. As you can see, it has the cube, the cable, and that's it. You don't need anything else. It's super lightweight, so it's very easy to put it in your backpack. I also like that the materials of the charger, they're very good quality. They don't feel cheap at all. The cable feels very sturdy, so even if you move it around a lot, or you bend it, it still keeps its shape. For the price, I think this is a very, very good replacement charger. It charges the laptop very well. I haven't had any issues with it. So if you're looking for a very reliable charger, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.